Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable sounds over on the Impulse app. So if you want to disable sounds, what you need to do is open the app like this, and if you basically don't want to get any sound effects, then here's how you can turn it off. So what you simply need to do is open the app and go and head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you've done that, you can simply head over to the top left corner of your screen and that settings icon. And once you've done that, you will right here be able to switch off sounds. And this will basically just completely turn off all these sounds and sound effects you get from the Impulse app. And that's basically all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.